Make a great choice today with the 2003 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $5,000. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.